The Tibet Ali Grand Hotel is located in Gayar County, Ali region, the mysterious western part of Tibet, at an altitude of 4,300 meters. The hotel was established in 2010 and is the local hotel with the highest occupancy rate and the best facilities. For many years, the hotel has been using natural gas as its energy source, and the operating costs have remained high. In 2023, the company's general manager Wen made a determined decision to invest heavily in the transformation to new energy. Due to the abundant sunlight resources in the local area, the use of solar energy was considered as a priority. However, it is not an easy task to operate for a long time under harsh conditions such as high altitude, low oxygen, and extreme cold. After multiple screenings, they finally chose the ultra-low temperature heat pipe collector from Suntask Solar. Suntask Solar specifically customized extreme cold collectors, remote controllers, plateau pumps and supporting facilities for high-altitude areas, providing a one-stop service from design, survey, production, construction, to operation. The total designed collector area is 3,100 square meters, providing more than 300 tons of hot water and heating every day, reducing natural gas energy consumption by 90% and producing considerable economic benefits. At the same time, it has played a positive demonstration role in energy saving and consumption reduction on the plateau.